Hello Airtel subscribers, my name is Joweria Nabakka, your Customer Experience Director. Today I'm here to take you through our 100 menu. We recently modified it and all your services are now found in one place under star 100 hash. So you dial star 100 hash. In here you'll see 10 options. Option 0, this is where you'll find products that are specifically created for you based on your usage. It will include My Packer Last and Our Freaky Weekend products. Option 1 has voice and SMS, all your voice requirements. Bundles that call Airtel to Airtel, bundles that call Airtel to all other networks. All these options will be found in option 1. Option 2 will be for your data and device services. So if you want to buy a daily, weekly, monthly, chillax bundle, it will be option 2. If you want to know about which devices you can pay for, monthly, daily, weekly on financing with our partners, it will be under option 2. Option 3 is for our combo services. This is voice and data services combined. Option 4, buy for another. This is where you go if you want to buy for a family member or a friend. Option 5, roaming and international calling. Roaming is when you've left the country and need to buy bundles to use while you're in that country. International calling, you're still in Uganda and trying to call someone who is outside the country. Option 6, smart plans. Smart plans are our products that have voice, data, and SMS. And all these products can be shared with up to 4 people who are on your smart plan to Gabane. It's a very good product for someone who wants to manage their usage on Airtel. Option 7, broadband, home broadband services. All your products will be in there. Option 8, Airtel Business, corporates and company, all your products will be in there. Option 9, Airtel Money. And finally, option 10, My Account. My Account is anything that has to do with your number personally. If you want to check your balance, if you want to block your number in case it has been stolen, anything that has to do with your number personally, if you've forgotten your number and want to check what it is, option 10. So simply dial star 100 hash. It's a new home for all our Airtel services. Thank you.
Airtel, a reason to imagine.